The overall goal of this methodology is to provide robust and accurate quantification of leaking gases, specifically methane, a potent greenhouse gas, using new technology.
The main advantage of this technique is that it offers improved accuracy compared to other available quantification systems and is not sensitive to non-methane hydrocarbon emissions.
We first had the idea for this technology and method when we were tasked with quantifying methane emissions related to natural gas fueling equipment and stations.
Following a review of current and previously used technologies and techniques, we determined that developing our own system and methods would ensure improved accuracy.
We then modified our methods of sampling automotive exhaust emissions to develop a full-flow sampling system, which we then employed in a variety of measurement campaigns to accurately quantify leaking and lost methane emissions.
Prior to working in the field, be certain to correctly calibrate the mass airflow sensor and the greenhouse gas analyzer. These are relatively easy but important procedures to conduct correctly. Thus, they are described in detail in the TEX protocol. The TEX protocol also explains how to perform a full system recovery test. This video demonstrates how to seek out greenhouse gas leaks and assess them at a potential source of fugitive emissions. Before beginning, create a new inventory file in the field computer. Enter all the details on the site. The data fields for the date, time, and GPS location are automatically populated. Next, document any inaccessible sources or aggregated sources. For example, event pipe.